Welcome to this charming home where comfort and convenience come together in perfect harmony. The heart of this home is the large living room, cozy up during the chilly evenings with a remote control gas log fireplace. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has a thoughtfully designed floor plan. The primary bedroom is conveniently situated on the first level, ensuring ease and privacy. Downstairs bath features elegant quartz countertops, elevating the style and functionality of this space. The spacious kitchen is a culinary heaven, equipped with all appliances included. The modern convenience of a Moen touchless faucet adds an extra touch of sophistication. Upstairs, you will find 2 additional bedrooms. Need extra storage space? Look no further than the large cedar closet, providing ample room for your belongings and keeping them well preserved. The expansive backyard invites you to enjoy outdoor living at its finest. Imagine hosting gatherings and creating lasting memories on the spacious patio while the kids play and explore in the generous yard. Settle into this delightful neighborhood where you'll appreciate the absence of HOA fees, embrace a sense of community while enjoying the freedom to personalize your property to your liking.